Welcome to today's class where I am going to be walking you through an introduction to machine learning. My name is Dr. Rejoice van der Walt. I will be walking you through the following subtopics, that is the definition of artificial intelligence. Then we'll look at types of artificial intelligence, covering the narrow AI, artificial general intelligence, human level AI, transformative AI, and super intelligence AI. What is artificial intelligence? You wonder why is that I am defining artificial intelligence in this class. This is because there are so many definitions out there. And because we are machine learning engineers, this is the way we are going to define the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems or machines that can perform tasks, typically requiring human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience or reasoning, problem solving, understanding natural language, and recognizing patterns or making decisions. In simple terms, we can say that artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines through learning, seeing, speaking, and moving. There are 5 types of AI. First, we have the narrow AI, or artificial narrow intelligence. Then we also have the general AI, or artificial general intelligence, human level AI, transformative AI, and super AI, or artificial super intelligence. We'll start off by defining the narrow AI, which sometimes we can refer to as weak AI or artificial narrow intelligence. This refers to AI systems that are designed and trained to perform specific tasks or solve particular problems. For example, we have virtual assistants and chatbots like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistants. We can also have image and facial recognitions, your Face ID, Clearview AI, DeepFace in Facebook. Recommendation systems that we use in Netflix or to recommend products that you can buy on Amazon. Fraud detection in banking and finance, AI in healthcare, and also autonomous vehicles and navigation. So when you look at these types of AI or machines, you find that they are trained to do a specific task and they will not change. A chatbot will not wake up tomorrow, it is a recommendation system. A recommendation system can never tomorrow become an autonomous vehicles and navigation system. So they stick to what they are trained to do. Then we have what we call the general AI or artificial general intelligence. So sometimes we always refer to it as AGI. So artificial general intelligence, also known as general AI or strong AI. This refers to an advanced form of artificial intelligence that possesses human-like cognitive abilities across a wide range of tasks. Unlike narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks, they will not change. The chatbots, they will never become something else. Image recognition system will stick to that. But AGI can learn, reason, understand, and adapt to new situations without human intervention. Its key characteristics include the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can do, self-learning and adaptive across multiple domains, so it can improve its abilities. It has certain characteristics like general reasoning and problem solving without being pre-programmed. Also, it can transfer knowledge from one task to another. It demonstrates creativity, some level of creativity, emotions, and consciousness. Although all this is still a hypothesis. A hypothesis, we're referring to a good guess, a good scientific guess. But we can see that the tech companies, the tech giants are working very hard, investing a lot of money, billions into this to make sure that they can create this kind of AI systems. We also have the human level AI. The human level artificial intelligence refers to an artificial intelligence system that can perform any intellectual task that a human being can do with comparable or superior accuracy, adaptability, and learning ability. So this is more like our very competitor. Its key characteristics include general intelligence, that it is capable of understanding and learning across a wide variety of domains. It's not limited to narrow tasks. Reasoning and problem solving, that it can make logical inferences, plan and solve complex problems. Learning from experience, it improves over time by learning from data, interactions, and environments, much like a human being. It can understand and produce human language with nouns and context. Also, it can interpret sensory input like vision or sound, similar to human beings. Like when somebody's talking, I can tell you this is so and so speaking because of my abilities to sense the kind of sound that is coming out there, whether it's a radio, whether it's a person. I can do that. And these human level artificial intelligence have that ability. Also, they understand human emotions and social cues and can interact appropriately. Finally, they can operate independently in dynamic environments. Then we have transformative AI. The transformative artificial intelligence refers to AI systems that have the potential to fundamentally change society by significantly altering economic, political, technological, or social structures on a scale comparable to major historical revolutions like the Industrial Revolution or the invention of the internet. Key elements of transformative AI include wide-reaching impact. That is, transformative AI can drastically change how work is done, how decisions are made, and how humans interact with technology. It can accelerate progress by driving exponential advancement in science, productivity, and innovation. It can also disrupt the economy. It may automate a large portion of jobs, change industries, or create new economic paradigms. Social shifts also are inevitable. That is, it could reshape governance, education, warfare, healthcare, and many more. And there can be long-term significant changes, which is often considered a potential precursor to artificial general intelligence with lasting consequences for humanity. Then finally, we have the super intelligence. This is the artificial intelligence that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects, including creativity, problem solving, emotional intelligence, and decision making. There's still a hypothesis, but who knows? Maybe one day we'll get there. And the key features of this super intelligent AI is that it has superior cognitive abilities, superior to human beings. Self-learning and autonomous improvement, it can do that without any need to be reprogrammed or even any human intervention. It does it on its own. Generalized intelligence and transfer learning from one domain to the other. It has advanced creativity and innovation qualities. Also, it is a very good strategic thinker, and it can also perform long-term planning. And embedded in it, there is some form of ethical and moral judgments. Whether what we are doing is good or bad, it can be able to tell that. Thank you very much. I think for today, we'll end it here, and I look forward to see you again in the next video.